Hello everyone, my name is Nagarjuna Kanaganti. Today I'm going to describe about the Impala assignment that's been given to us. So initially we have to download a dataset from the kaggle.com. So I went to the link and I have downloaded the continuous dataset which has most of the variables and it's relevant to our analysis. Then I have loaded the data in HDFS. So for that I have used the lab broker from the Citrix server and using metastore tables, I have created a table using the CSV file I have uploaded from my computer that's been downloaded from the Kaggle. Then if we want to upload any file, we can use the file browser here. Then I'm going to do this assignment in Impala because it's much faster than Hive. So let's go to the questions that we have to do. First thing is to load the data that I have already shown. Next, we have to find the total number of ODIs played during the time frame. Now let's go here, and the first query is about that. So I'm going to select the count of the number of records, because if we see the statistics here, if you see from the sample, from the scorecard, every row represents an ODI match, so we have to find the number of rows. So that's why you have used for that, and I'm going to run this query now and let's see what happens now. The query has run and let's see the results. So it's 7494. So those are the total number of ODIs played during the time frame. The second question is total number of teams. So again, if we go to the statistics, every team has played more than one match. See, if you see from the row 2 to 4, England has played played Australia more than 2 times, 3 times. So that's why we have to find the distinct ones. That's why I'm selecting the count distinct team 1 from the cricket table. Now I'm going to run this query and see what happens. Now it has run and it has given me the distinct teams. So there are totally 23 teams, and let's go to the third question. So third question has 4 subparts. The first subpart is about the team which has won the most ODI during the time frame. So for that, this is the query. We're going to select the winner and the count of the winner. Say if Australia is the winner, we are finding the number of times it has won, and I'm grouping by the winner and I'm ordering by this variable in the descending order. I'm going to run this query now. Let's see what happens. So it has run and it should give me the number of times. So if you see the result set, Australia is the country that has won most of the games. It has 11-1-1-0-4. So now let's go to the second part. So which team won the most ODI during each decade? It's the same question, but we have to do it for every decade. So I have done for every decade. I'm going to show it now. So here, this is the query. I'm selecting the winner, count same as the above. Oh, let's just, from the cricket table where the match date, I have used the like, and I have used for every decade, 197, 198, 199. So if it is searching for 197 from the match date, so it will be it will search for 197 1971 to 1979. It covers for every decade, so I'm going to run for almost every decade. There are 5 decades in our data. So let's run this query, and it's still running. So now it has run. Let's check the details. So Sri Lanka has won 2 times in the first decade, that's 1971 to 1980, then India, then Zimbabwe, according to the decades. Now let's go to the third question. It's which team has won the most ODI, whoever played first innings or second innings. So we have to consider those 2. So there's a variable called variable which specifies which innings they have played. It's called margin. So this is the query. I'm going to run this query now. So in this query, I'm selecting the winner on count of the winner as ODI winner on margin, and I'm seeing if the margin is winner first inning or the second inning. I'm going union. I'm merging them both, and let's see the results now. So we got the results. So there are two countries. One is East Africa and USA. East Africa is winner first inning and USA is winner second. Let's go to the last question, which team has won the most out of home game in decades. So we are going to do that now. So here I'm selecting the winner as a home win for the first, and I'm going to filter these results where the winner and the host country are same, because if the country has hosted the game there and if they have won, I'm collecting those results and I'm merging with the opposites. The opposites are the away countries, which are winner not equal to host country, and I'm doing for every decade 197, 198. So now I'm going to run this query to see the results. Now it has run. So it's in the first decade, it's England and West Indies, and the numbers are 38 and 30. So now that's it for the assignment. I have completed this assignment, and thank you all for watching.